Settle a repossession debt for 10% of the balance. Erase the pain of a repossession. Easy, cheap, and fast. Is it hurting your ability to obtain credit? Need the repo deleted off your credit report after the settlement? Problem solved. Easily settle a repo for 10 to 20% of the alleged remaining debt. Settle it with the condition to delete the trade line too. Here are some major virtually unknowns and unshared secret key tricks from your e-course to make this happen. The explanations become gradually more amazing, and you can skip ahead in this video by 60 seconds if you are anxious for the really great stuff. Yes, the super awesome info. First, learn the very first thing of the 5 super strong things to always do to protect yourself and leverage yourself to settle a repo cheap. Which first and foremost, for getting a huge key leverage, is to formally document and dispute the total amount of monies alleged to be owed by the creditor or collector. We show you how to do that. Notice we did not say to dispute the debt completely, as you need to be in the frame of mind that you are not admitting or denying the debt, as this is also very important for negotiations, especially to achieve a lowball settlement amount. By doing this, this sets up very unique play and variables, such as the collector or creditor may later accept your lowball offer deal, but the high-level executives are insisting on an unconflicted hardship letter as it relates to your prior communications. So if you previously said that you never had the debt or it wasn't your debt, you don't owe any money, they're not going to accept that. No worries, no problem solved. We specialize in this. If you do all this yourself, be super careful though. If you write the wrong type of hardship, it could also kill the deal. We know what the creditors and collectors use to structure themselves to approve for incoming hardship letters, to accept them or decline them. So remember, you are merely disputing the exact dollar amount that they are alleging, and do not elaborate further. Just state that you are attempting to remedy the matter only. Kindly say you're not here to elaborate on disputes, just looking to initiate a remedy for all of us that is fair. For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel